Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary lasers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're working on construction sites, grading, or setting up foundations, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Johnson Level & Tool 40-6517 Self-Leveling Rotary Laser System. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, but it still packs a punch for smaller job sites. It's a dependable tool for indoor and outdoor applications like setting foundations, aligning walls, or leveling deck floors. The standout feature here is its self-leveling capability in the horizontal plane, while the vertical plane requires manual leveling. Additionally, it has variable rotational speeds ranging from 200 to 600 RPM, which you can adjust for optimal visibility. In terms of design, the Johnson 40-6517 feels durable with its combination of metal and wood construction. It's on the bulkier side at 18.96 pounds, but it comes with a comprehensive kit that includes an 8-foot grade rod, wall/ceiling mount, tinted glasses, and even a hard shell carrying case to keep everything organized. The safety alarm that alerts you when the laser is out of leveling range is a thoughtful touch. While it doesn't have the range or precision of higher-end models, this rotary laser is ideal for light construction and DIY projects. The affordable price point and 3-year warranty make it a compelling option. However, keep in mind it's not as advanced as some of the models we'll discuss later. Pros include affordability and a complete kit, while cons include manual vertical leveling and a shorter range. At number 4, we have the Topcon RL-H5B Leveling Horizontal Rotary Laser. Designed for medium-sized job sites, this laser offers a range of up to 400 meters, making it perfect for grading, excavating, and general construction projects. With an IP66 rating, it's built to withstand harsh conditions like dust, rain, and even heavy downpours. The RL-H5B features self-leveling functionality, making setup quick and easy. The design is rugged yet lightweight, with a bright yellow finish that ensures visibility on busy job sites. The included kit comes with the RL-H5B laser, an LS80 sensor, a sensor holder, and a carrying case. While it doesn't have the extensive range of the premium models, it's highly accurate and reliable for most standard applications. Users have praised its durability and straightforward operation, making it a great tool for construction professionals who don't need ultra-long-range capabilities. The Topcon RL-H5B strikes a balance between price and performance, sitting solidly in the mid-range category. While it's slightly less advanced than the RL-H5A, which we'll discuss later, it's still a fantastic choice for those looking for an accurate and dependable rotary laser. Pros include durability and ease of use, while cons are its shorter range compared to premium models. Coming in at number 3 is the Rotary Self-Leveling Rotary Laser. This laser is a standout performer with an impressive working range of up to 2,000 feet, making it the best option for large-scale projects on this list. It's equipped with plus or minus 5 degrees self-leveling accuracy and delivers a precision of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 100 feet, ensuring reliable results for grading, excavating, and foundation setting. The build quality is robust, with an IP66 rating that protects against dust and water, making it suitable for rugged outdoor conditions. The aluminum tripod and 5-section grade rod included in the kit add significant value, along with other accessories like a remote control, laser glasses, and a carrying case. At 22.8 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but its comprehensive set of tools makes it an all-in-one solution for professionals. A Rotary rotary laser is a powerhouse for those who need extended range and precision. It's priced competitively given its capabilities, but may be overkill for smaller projects. Pros include its extraordinary range and complete accessory kit, while cons are its heavier weight and higher price compared to entry-level models. In the runner-up spot, we have the Bosch GRL 920 HVK Revolve Rotary Laser Kit. This laser offers versatility with horizontal and vertical beam functionality, making it ideal for layout, squaring, and plumb applications. It boasts a working range of up to 1,000 feet and an accuracy of plus-minus 1/8 inch at 100 feet, perfect for professional-grade tasks. The GRL 920 HVK comes as a comprehensive kit, including a tripod, 8-foot grade rod, laser receiver, remote control, and more. The included hard carrying case keeps everything organized. The design is sleek yet rugged, and at just 3.9 pounds, it's much lighter than some competitors. Plus, its Class 2 laser offers a 635 nm wavelength, ensuring clear visibility indoors and outdoors. While the price is on the higher side, the Bosch GRL 920 HVK is a premium product designed for professionals who value precision and versatility. It's intuitive to use and comes with a reliable warranty. Pros include its lightweight design and comprehensive accessories, while cons are its shorter range compared to the Lototools model and a slightly higher price tag. Finally, at number 1, we have the Topcon RL-H5A self-leveling horizontal rotary laser. This premium rotary laser is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand top-notch performance. With an impressive range of 800 meters and an IP66 rating, the RL-H5A is built for large-scale construction sites and harsh environments. Its electronic self-leveling feature ensures that you're ready to work in seconds, and it automatically relevels if disturbed. The RL-H5A is constructed with high-quality materials and a rugged design that can withstand dust, rain, and shocks. The kit includes the LS80L receiver, a detector holder, and a soft carrying case, making it a complete package. It's highly accurate, with self-leveling motors precise to plus-minus 10 arc-seconds, ensuring that every measurement is on point. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Topcon RL-H5A delivers unmatched reliability, range, and durability. It's the go-to rotary laser for professionals working on grading, excavating, or any large-scale leveling project. Pros include its exceptional accuracy, long range, and rugged build, while cons are limited to its price point. If you want the best of the best, this is the rotary laser for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.